All right, I'm going to tag who's led us to find this issue here, but we've got a Malibu Max that has been it will run great until you've heated up the vehicle, you've run it 30 minutes or so, and then you've got an issue of a no start, constant no start. So what we've got here is the starter relay circuit. It's the ground circuit. We've got continuity, we're good. We're gonna heat it up and show you what happens. Okay. So now, after it gets warm, we've got no continuity on that same circuit.
Let me show you this.
All right.
If you go right here, continuity, none. The brake's right there in the corner.
All right, so what's our repair for this?
Solder.
Just a little solder. So the fix comes from, what'd you say his name is?
Advanced Level Auto.
So big thanks to you for that one, because we've been chasing this one for a minute. We'd already replaced this fuse block, and with the used one is what we had found. And yeah, so we ended up going with another used one, and same problem. So appreciate you. Hopefully this helps somebody else out too. Share it and all that fun stuff. Maybe another tech will run into this issue and be able to find a little help.